Hey guys, welcome back to Phone Tricks. In this video we'll learn how to use OTG or OTG pendrive in OPPO A55 smartphone. Normal pendrive, and this is a OTG adapter for this phone. So this is a type C one. You can purchase this one from the local shops or online also. We insert the pendrive into the OTG adapter. Then you need to insert the OTG adapter into the type C port. Now you need to go to settings, then go to additional settings, then find the OTG connection, then enable that. Now the OTG storage is available here. You can open that. So this is a files from the OTG pendrive. You can copy the content from the pendrive. So I will copy that. Then you can paste it to phone storage also. So before removing that, you need to swipe down the notification panel. Then need to click the tab to remove the USB device safely. You need to click that. Otherwise your pendrive or OTG will get damaged. You need to click that. Then wait for a few seconds. Now you can remove the OTG pendrive from the phone. So that's all guys. I hope this video is very useful to you. If you like this video, hit thumbs up and do subscribe our channel for more updates. Thank you.